ba ni mami mo dungol-dungol ka kuno? Si mami mo yan, overload ginapirmi sa istorya eh. Overload pirmi sa istorya. Ang kulang dugangan, sobra pa. Ano na yan si mami mo yan, no? Si mami mo namin kuripato niyang matilinga. Love you. Dako ka na. Dako na.
Good morning! Today is
Sunday,
10th of March. And this is an intro for our part 2 of our pregnancy journey. Because today is our 6 months checkup. 24 weeks, more than half na. Tapos today, malaki na tayo. Malaki na siya.
excited ka na ba?
And today, sa check-up natin, actually heartbeat lang ni baby. Wala tayong ultrasound. Pero, meron tayong sugar test.
Sugar.
So, gestational diabetes test. Yun. Kasi, para ma-check natin kung mataas ang ating sugar. So, that's later.
Peace.
Medyo kinakabahan kasi baka ma-diabetes tayo.
Kala ko ma-high.
Pero we'll see later. Dito na tayo sa hospital. Ito na ang ating glucose sugar drink. Ano siya? Tubig lang pala siya. Clear water na merong asukal. So, hanggang dito. Wish me back. Ba? Sige na. Ano siya, babe? Nabi siya? Parang fruit cocktail. Oh, fruit cocktail. Promise. Tamis.
Stop ko na.
Paubos na. Last. Gusto mo? Not bad. Tapos pwede daw ako uminom ng tubig. Konti lang. Hanggang dito lang.
Hello guys. So ito na nga yung mga nangyayari.
Wait lang. Update. Gabi na. Kauwi na tayo from the check-up. And
Wala news.
malungkot kasi tayo ay hindi pumasa
Hindi
sa ating
nakakain
sugar.
Hindi ka nakapasa ng sa sugar test mo?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ko alam.
So, yun na nga, inom tayo ng sugar, ano ba yung tawag doon? Yung sugary syrup na juice. Tapos, nag-wait kami ng 1 hour para kunan ako ng dugo. Tapos, chinek kung inaabsorb ba ng ating katawan, ng aking dugo yung sugar. So, yung normal is 140. Ang aking sugar is 149.
Maliit lang naman ang diferensya.
But it's above the normal. So, we will do another test.
Kailan?
Next week. Next Sunday, we will have another sugar test. Pero, yun is, 3 hours. So, iinom na naman ako ng sugary drink. Pagdating ko, kukunan ako ng dugo. Then, iinom tayo ng sugary drink. And then, after 1 hour, iti-test. And then, another hour, iti-test. To see kung after 2 hours na absorb na ng katawan yung sugar. Kasi, di ba, hindi na absorb ng 1 hour. So, check ang 2 hours.
Pre and post test.
Yeah, pre and post test to see if yung difference. Basta ganon. So, another check up tayo next week. And another kuha ng dugo.
Marami ka naman dugo. Okay lang yan.
Pero si baby okay. So, narinig namin yung heartbeat niya. Tapos, mineasure din ni doc yung chan ko if tama ang size. And then, ano pa ba? What else did we talk about? Yun na naman. Normal naman lahat kay baby. Ano lang?
Sugar lang.
Yung sugar ko lang a little bit higher than the normal.
That's okay.
That's okay for him. But not for me. Kasi, syempre, basta, kaka-disappoint.
Rice pa more.
Hindi ako ma-sugar actually. Hindi ako nainom ng mga matatamis. Hindi ako kumakain ng chocolate cakes. Mga ganyan. Hindi ako nakain. Candy,
No,
walang
ice cream?
Hindi ako nag-ice cream. Hindi ako, ano pa ba? Mga biscuit na matatamis. Hindi ako nakain yan. Sa carbs lang siguro talaga. Sa rice. Pero nagba-brown rice din naman kami. Good morning! Happy Sunday. Today is 17 of March. And again, we're going to the doctor, the hospital. So today is our second appointment for the sugar test. First turok done. First kuha dugo done. Before the test. Tapos ngayon, mag-drink na ako ng sugary drink. Malabaab. Warm. Kag mas natamis to ngayon. Or dahil wala akong kinain. Siguro na. Update. Lipat tayo sa private na room. Room lang. Para solo natin. Kasi medyo nahilo na rin ako. Pero yung nurse ang nagsabi na lipat tayo dito. Hindi kami nag-request. So, Babe. Hindi nakakarinig kasi naka-headset. Better kasi private. Walang ibang tao. At nakahiga ako. For 1 hour. Update.
Wala pa din si Doc.
Wala pa si Doc. Actually, tapos na kami ng second draw ng blood. Nakalimutan ko mag-video. Pero, tapos na yung pangalawang kuha ng dugo. So, last na lang. And, we only have like, I think, maximum 10 minutes para bumalik yung nurse. Yung nurse na ang pumapasok dito. Di na kami umaalis. Siya na ang napunta, kumuha ng dugo, tapos iwan niya na naman kami. yeah. So, last na. Nakuha ng dugo. And then, pwede tayong umuwi and kumain. Na, babe, na? And then, tatawag na lang ang doctor for the result. I'm not sure kung magkita pa tayo kay Doc, babe. Feeling ko hindi na. Na? Hindi pala ako naririnig. Kasi naka-headset. Basketball is life. But, yeah. Sana negative tayo sa diabetes. Gestational diabetes. Hi guys. Update lang tayo sa ating sugar test. So, it has been 3 days since my sugar test nung Sunday. Today is Wednesday. And, yeah, natagalan ang ating result. Actually, hindi natagalan yung result. Just 2 hours after the check-up, lumabas na yung result. Tinawagan na ako ng doctor and the doctor explained. Pero, ngayon ko lang kayo na-update dahil, well, na-disappoint ako sa result, honestly. So, positive for gestational diabetes. And, the doctor explained na it's actually not very high, just like a point, yung isa 2 points higher. So, 3 tests yon. Yung isa a point higher, ang isa 2 points higher, yung ika-third na test, which is the 3 hours, normal na siya. So, below like within the normal range. So, 2 out of 3 mataas. Kaya, diagnosed na siya as gestational diabetes. And, yeah, so, sabi ng doctor, just a diet. Wala naman akong gamot na hindi ako mag-insulin, ganun, kasi nga hindi naman siya super high, but I will have to decrease yung sugar intake, so like sweets, wala, hindi na pwede, and then carbs, so I switched to riceberry na for rice, and then for bread, kung kailangan ko talaga mag-bread, then wheat bread na, hindi na yung normal na bread. Bawal na rin tayo sa ibang mga pastries, sa sweets, sa fruits na matatamis, bawal na din. So, sige lang, at least 3 months na lang naman, more than 3 months na lang, and hopefully it will not affect the baby, but it is what it is. And aside from the OB-GYN, we will be meeting up with the nutritionist and yung isa pang doctor na sinabi ng doctor. I can't remember the title, pero may isa pang doctor na imi-meet to consult about the gestational diabetes. Hi! Getting ready! Update, today is the 9th of April and we are going back to the hospital for another checkup. And today we have 2 checkups. So one with another doctor called I don't know what the doctor is called, pero nasa Cardio-Metabolic Center siya. So that's for the, I think, the nutritionist. And then
Cardio, di ba?
Cardio-metabolic. So, for, basta nutritionist yan. And then, after that, we have another check-up appointment with our OB-GYN for the ultrasound.
Yeah!
Very exciting. So, makikita natin ang mukha ng ating bulinggits ni Given. We are very excited for weeks na. So, let's see. Bump update. Cutie. ready. Baby, you ready? Ready? Are you ready to see your junior?
Yeah, of course.
Waiting for the doctor. Excited. So, pangatlong doctor na to actually. First one is the cardio-metabolic doctor. Second is the dietitian. And then the third is the OB-GYN. And it's almost 2 p.m. Di pa kami nag-lunch. First appointment namin is 11:30. Sunod-sunod. But we're excited. And I hope the baby is still happy. Kahit gutom na siya. Ready? Di pa rin tayo tapos. We are walking. Ano meron doon?
Wala. Kaya akit tayo sa
Saan?
4.
Then,
Walk ka sa 4.
sa guard. So, tapos na kami kay Doc. OB-GYN. Actually, hindi pa pala tapos. Pero nagkita na kami. And then, ultrasound, pero ang bata hindi nagpapakita, nakatago, nakabaluktot, and tinatago ang mukha and yung heart niya, so parang nakagano. So kailangan naming mag-walking para siya ay gumalaw. Actually kumain kami kasi nga hindi pa kami nag-lunch, past 2 p.m. na. So nag-lunch kami, and then now we will have walking, and then come back after 30 minutes. Walking tayo. Here? Din ka maihi. Let's try this. Mainit. This is inside the building. And we are back. Posisyon na. Waiting for doctor na lang. Sana mag-cooperate na si Given, si baby this time. It's moving. Look like you.
A lot of things in front of his face, like it have a shadow.
Oh. So cute. Video mo. Wala.
no?
And we are done! Nagmamadali kami kasi pupunta pa kaming immigration. And it's almost 4 p.m. It's actually 4:04 p.m. na. And the immigration is only open until 4:30. So, nagmamadali kami. But, update sa ating 4D scan. So, okay naman. Actually, nag-2D scan muna. Kinuha yung mga ano ba tawag doon? Hindi ko alam. Full scan ata ang tawag ng doc doon. Parang kinuha na naman yung mga size ng ulo niya. Chinek yung heart, yung 4 chambers ng heart. Chinek yung kanyang abdomen, ang kanyang spines, ang kanyang mga kamay at paa. All good na yun. Pero yung sa 4D, hindi siya makuhaan ng clear image dahil napakalapit niya sa placenta. So, siguro hindi makuhaan ng position na makita talaga yung 4D itsura niya. Pero, meron kaming mga konting snaps ng picture na parang 4D na din, pero not that clear. So, uulitin pala yung kanyang 4D scan next time na babalik kami. Pero free na. Kasi we paid na. Pero hindi lang nakuha. So, uulitin daw ni Doc next naming balik, which is 2 weeks from now. And hopefully, mag-cooperate na si baby. Ipakita niya na ang kanyang mukha. Pero here are the sample clips we have ng kanyang itsura. So, not so clear. Yan. Kasi may mga shadow ng placenta. But that's a chubby cheek. And daddy's nose. And mommy's lips. So, the side view is this. So, this is the placenta. Andyan siya. So, natatabunan siya ng placenta. So, we will have to redo it next 2 weeks. Excited. Also, update pala sa aking gestational diabetes. So, ano siya? Not that bad. So, mayroon akong gestational diabetes pero I don't need a medication. Hindi ko kailangan i-monitor ang sugar ko. Diet lang. So, continue lang yung diet, which is, yun nga, bawasan ang rice or change to rice berry, tapos whole wheat bread, parang ganon. Basta bawas lang sa carbs and sa sugar. Pero so far, so good. And we will check again my sugar next time, which is a month from now. Kung okay na ba siya or nag-spike siya, then we will have to see kung kailangan ng medication. But I think if itutuloy lang natin yung diet natin, then we should be good. So overall, it's a good check-up, good result. Not very good kasi nga hindi natin nakuha yung 4D scan ng itsura ni baby, the given, but it's overall it's good, right? Nagmamadali. We are back at the hospital for another ultrasound. 30 weeks and 3 days. I'm alone, but Von is coming. He's late kasi galing siya sa office. Today is 23rd of April, Tuesday, 5 p.m. So galing si Von sa work. But yeah, I'm in the ultrasound room and waiting for the doctor and Von. We'll have another 4D ultrasound kasi last time hindi clear. He's here. The tapos na din. And wala pa rin tayong malinaw na picture na 4D. Ano ang anak mo nga? Sabi mo, bakit ayaw magpakita ng itsura? Ang anak mo ay?
Nahihiya.
Introvert daw, gaya niya. Grabe. May personality na. Hindi pa lumalabas. Na?
Yeah.
Normal. Sometimes to have more high 160 if the belly move higher, but high no serious about low more 100,
Lower 100.
but usually is okay,
Normal.
normal because no contraction.
Yeah.
This probe to check the contraction when nearly to delivery. To have the contraction, your womb too hard and push like this probe.
Yeah.
This number is too high and show graph high contraction, and after that low and no contraction to smooth.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Ka.
We check about.
Dito ka na ba mga anak?
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Ay, wala pa yung baby. Diyan pa, dito nilalagay ang baby, tinitimbang. Wow. Di ba baby mo rin ako? Pwede ako siguro timbangin dan ba?
Tinimbang ka pero kulang.
Kulang-kulang.
Contraction.
No.
Construction.
Construction worker. Given. Love you, baby. Love you, baby. Love you, baby. Given. I love you.
Yeah.
Love you, baby. Daddy loves you. Mommy loves you.
Oh, 70 na.